cutting out the side seam pocket. The first thing you want to do is lay out your pattern pieces, and you have your fabric folded with right sides together. So you're doubling up the layers because you're cutting two of each of the pattern pieces. The first thing you want to do is get the pattern on grain. So I have marked the bottom, or pinned the bottom edge of my grain line arrow, and you take your tape measure and you are going to measure out to the finished edge or the selvage of your fabric. For this sample, that measurement was 15 1/8. Now I go up to the top edge of my grain line arrow and I adjust it to get that same measurement. You pin that end of the grain line. Then you can continue pinning the rest of the pattern pieces. First you pin diagonally into the corner. And then you take your cutting scissors and you are going to cut out both layers at the same time. You want to take long strokes and use as much of the scissor blade as possible when you're going around the edges of your pattern piece that you're cutting out. So you continue cutting around all the edges and remove the pins. Leave one pin attached, so that keeps the pattern piece, which is going to act as a label of what are these parts of the pattern that you're going to be putting together, and set them aside and cut out all the pieces for the pocket.